Hello and welcome to Altea Suite. Today I'm gonna go over how to create price lists in your account. First thing is we're gonna go to our sales module and then go down to our price list. Here is our price list manager. The first one you're gonna see is our default price list. This price list is just basically my default sales price that I've created in my account and just mirroring it over here. So there's virtually no effect on my price list here. But I have a few different options I can do to create a new price list. If I go and create a new price list, here's our new price list definition. Over here you can name your price list whatever you want. Let's name this price list December. Over here I can add a tax if I'd like. It's completely optional. And then we have this options right here. First one we're going to look at is our use default discount percentage. What this is going to do is it's going to go based off of a percentage. So if I say 10%, it's going to discount 10% off of my sales price that I have for my items. And this will be used for every item in the price list. Alternatively, I can go over here and use default increase percentage. I can increase all my items sales prices by 10%. Another option is we have a fixed amount. So if I want, I can use a default increased fixed amount. So if I do this, everything will be increased by $5. Alternatively, we can decrease everything by a certain amount. So if I use $5, everything in my price list will be decreased by $5. We also have this button to manually specify for each item. We have the option to export this item price list, so you'll be able to edit your prices manually that way. When you select this setting, you'll see this checkbox that says use default item price list when not in price list. We would use this setting if you hadn't mentioned a price in your price list that you manually specified for an item. But if you check this, the system will use its default item price that you specified in the item definition. The next checkbox is this is active button. So let's say we're not in the month of December anymore. I can make this inactive and the item price list will not show up in my invoice. We also have these settings down here, so I can specify which business location I want to add this price list for. We also have an option to select a customer group that you want to apply this price list to. Now I'm going to go through my different price lists that I've created, starting with our discount 10%. If I go over here, right now it's taking 10% off of 12 and it's giving me 1080. Now the next price list I will show you is a fixed amount price list. And if you go over here, this is adding $10 to this default price list. So 10 plus 12 is 22 and so on and so forth. Everything is increased by $10. The next price list I'll show you is our manual price list upload. Here we can go to our three-dotted context menu and I can export this item list. When you export the price list, it's going to look like this, and you're going to go in and manually update all the prices of this price list. And once you're done, we're going to go to upload item price list. We're going to go and browse for our file, our price list that we've just updated, and I'm going to hit this price list upload button. It's going to go through all the lines and update all my prices, and then you'll get this message that says it's been completed successfully. Now when I go to this manual price list upload, you can see that all my sales prices have been updated. To start using these price lists, I'll show you this in a sales invoice. Your price list button will be right here, so you can choose whichever one you want. I'll show you the discount. If I select my item, my item has been discounted 10%. I could have also done it here, but this price list is for every single item in my inventory, so I don't have to manually specify it here. If I show you the manual price upload, now if I show you the fixed amount price list, you can see that it's been updated here. For reference, I'll go to my default price list. the default price for this couch is $18.16. But if I go and do the discount, it's gone down to $16.34. If I go to fixed amount, $18.25. And if I go to my manual price upload, it's now $21.39. This is how to apply the price list in an invoice, and it gets updated in real time based on your price list definitions. And that's how to create price lists in your account and apply them in a sales invoice. Thank you.